In the state of Arizona, there are certain sexual offenses that you can receive more prison time for versus committing a first-degree murder. A necessary element for a sex crimes defense is being an extremely aggressive lawyer. We do not wait for the state to come out with allegations or facts or discovery. We do our own investigation. False accusations happen, mistakes happen, a lot of other things happen in these types of offenses. Bad police work happens. Misleading children during interviews happens, and it takes an extremely aggressive stance and very intricate knowledge of the different statutes that are triggered under Arizona sex crimes laws. We have our own special sentencing statutes, in fact, so specialized where if you do one thing but not another, it creates a higher level of felony versus a lower level of felony. More time, the time can be flat time. Flat time is known as day for day, or 100% of your sentence you will do. You are not eligible for 85% of your sentence. You are not eligible for early kickout or early release or parole. You serve every single day that the law has given you. Therefore, our feeling at Mendoza Jakobe Law is we run the investigation. We run everything from jump. Immediately when you come into our office, we are asking questions. Who is the victim? What is this person about? Who do they hang around with? What is the family like? Who are the investigators? Who did the investigation? Half the time, the agency that did the investigation is the most important, because there are some police stations here that are substandard when it comes to having the expertise to interviewing children or the victims of sexual offenses. But a very aggressive stance needs to be taken on sex crimes, because all it takes is one person to say that you did something without any physical evidence at all, no corroboration from witnesses, no physical evidence, no photos, no videos, but so long as that person, if the state believes them, no matter what their background, you can get charged with a sex offense. So everything is an uphill battle, and we need to keep it full steam ahead going. It's a marathon, not a race, but we hit hard and we hit hard back. That is the way to handle a sex case. We don't sit back and wait for the state to give us material. We get it in the manner in which the law allows us to get it, which is quickly, and it's now. We investigate, and we also do our own investigation. I never rely on just the state's evidence. That's not the way to go. Is we create our own defense and paint our own picture contrary to what the state is saying. But again, anything from a simple allegation to a finger pointing is what can make a sex crimes charge stick in this state.